can get a custom keyboard using the face emoji app. So this is my custom keyboard. I like it. So first you're going to face emoji, then you're going to press DIY now. Then you select a photo or any other one of these. I'm going to select this basketball one. And then you could select what shape you want it to be, the keys, and what color. And you could also select like the brightness of it, so I could put at no brightness or max brightness. So then you could also add effects, like it could just rain poop, and also you could put none on, and then you could also add sounds, and you could also add the text color. And this isn't the actual font that you type with. It's just what appears on the keyboard. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Then you press save, and then you start typing. And then so you finish it, and then you have that keyboard. Okay, hope this helped. Bye.